Hi, Awesomes. Welcome back. This will be our third, potentially final video of the week. Like I said, try not to over inundate you, but obviously you need information, so we've got to provide that for you as well. So in this video, I'm going to discuss Grammarly and week one writing prompt. Both of these, I don't want to say are self-explanatory because that would be incorrect, but anyway, just by way of a friendly reminder, you come onto our online course every single week. Obviously, we're still right here, right? We're in week one. So you go to your week one page. This is where we'll find, as you'll notice, right? You'll notice in these videos, as every single time that you watch one, that it's kind of changing before your eyes. By the time you obviously see it, all these will be complete. But in the videos, so I've posted the introduction to course video, which you've probably seen. And then I had a video that covered the learning outcomes, so number 2 and 3. And then we're going to finish up kind of addressing topics 4 and 5 right here. So I'm going to head back over to our course. And Grammarly is something that is not just something that helps us with our writing, it also becomes a tool. And as we'll learn later on in the semester, there's an activity that we'll do towards the end of the semester. We'll look at one of our projects as we're writing it, and we'll start kind of making note of the things that Grammarly is catching for us. So when you hit that, it brings you to Grammarly.com, and you can have an app. And then what you can do is when you have your account and you get the free account. This account that you're looking at right here is my free account. Okay, I don't pay for Grammarly at this particular point. The free version does what we needed to do for this semester. So if you don't have Grammarly yet, make sure that you get it downloaded, use the app on whatever. I'm obviously on the Chromebook platform. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure what it looks like if you have a PC or Mac, or what that looks like. I know they obviously have versions for that. So make sure that you add that, because we're going to use that in the future. In the course, obviously, everything that you submit, I will expect that you have ran it through Grammarly and addressed those things that Grammarly catches and helps us with. We'll talk more specifically about how Grammarly is also a teaching tool. It helps us think about our writing. It helps us when we start to see the things that it's catching that maybe we're not catching. Then you'll notice over time, as you use Grammarly more, before you know it, you're catching those things, right? And Grammarly is finding fewer and fewer and fewer things. And that can be very, very, very rewarding if you're ever in a situation where you don't have access to your Grammarly, right? All right, I'll pull my time up here, make sure that I stay within time. And as promised for this video too, we're going to talk about the first week writing sample assignment. Now, I'm not going to say a whole lot about this because it's a writing sample from you. So literally, okay, hear me. Literally, what I want you to do is read this, okay? And then literally, this is a writing sample. It's not a free write, brainstorm, or personal journal entry. The essay you write just reflects your best effort to produce a clear, focused response within the period allowed. Obviously, you guys have a little bit more time, but if we were live and in class, I'd give you the 45 to 60 minutes, whatever our class period is, and we need to do it within that time. Obviously, you have a little bit more liberty right now, but I don't want you to put a whole lot of pressure. You do not do any outside research. You don't need to do any things of this nature. Just follow the prompt. Read these middle 3 paragraphs, okay? And then following this, answer whatever it's asking you to, right? I don't want to talk a whole lot about it. But this last part, okay, what are your ideas about the causes and anxiety of stress, right? What are some of the basic practices? This is the prompt itself, right? This paragraph. All right. So stay right in there. Don't overthink it. Just give your best response. Okay. Like I said, it's a completion assignment in that I'm going to look at it to make sure that you address the prompt, you address these questions. Because I just want to get an idea see if there's things I need to address or add to the course or emphasize or re-emphasize, those kinds of things. Okay. So, and it's graded in the sense that I give you points for just completing it, for doing it. So, okay, good way to start the class, right? It's an easy 50 points, okay? All right, guys, about to run out of time here too. So don't forget to get your Grammarly on and work on this for this Sunday. All right, you guys stay safe, stay awesome. Bye now.